Miami, beautiful people. I'm loving Miami, sharing the love and positivity. And right now we're going on a tour for sunset to Miami Beach Walk. Wow, stay tuned. We have a Lexus that is coming as a Uber, and we're gonna go and spread the positivity. We're loving Miami. Everything is so beautiful. I mean, like, look at the buildings. Wow, this is what we're building. We're building a building like that of love and positivity. So stay tuned because Miami is really live. Everybody's happy. We love that about Miami. And today is Friday night. Let's go check it out. Spicy Life, love and positivity for the world. Remember, subscribe. Miami, Miami, the best. We got our Uber and let's go. Hi. Nice car. Where we're going? South Beach. We're doing videos. We're spreading the love and positivity. Yes. Your smile spreads the love and positivity. Thank you.
Don't worry, buddy.
Yes, you see. Nice Uber. Stay tuned. We're gonna go and spread the love and positivity. Watching the sunset. Spicy Life for life. Love and positivity for the world. Cachete, man. Wow, guys, look at the weather. The weather is sweet. Remember, walk happy. Look at people walking happy. Wow. Love it, 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 love it. Look at that thing right there, turning around. What's the name of that? First. I'm afraid of the roller coasters. I can do that one, but I'm afraid of the roller coasters. Last roller coaster I went, bro, oh my god, I was so scary. I saw little kids having fun and I said, oh, I don't go no more. So yes, but you know, it's what it is. I still go and have fun. I see others. Look at people in Miami, everybody walking happy. Oh, 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 there he is, the little robot. We'll buy 1 million robots. Will do AI program, and these robots will go to spread the love and positivity for the world. That's our next mission. Stay tuned. We're gonna make it happen. It's beautiful Miami. Miami Beach, baby. Let's go. Love and positivity for the world. Wow, huh? Icy and spicy, the best, huh? Let's go there. Vamos, ¿a dónde? Beach. I'll go beach. Yeah, icy and spicy, and we are walking in Miami, spreading the love and the positivity for the world. Everybody's happy here. We love it, we love it. Super, super beautiful. Look at the kids' playground right there. We're gonna do a shoot right here. Wow, huh? The car line, people dining, walking. Okay, let's go, let's go. This kind of sunset and wow, there's a kids playground over there. Nice, nice. We love the kids' playground and we touch the sand. Oh, this is Miami. Thank you, my Spicy Life Global Family community in Miami, because you guys are the best. You guys live on a really beautiful place, and I'm thankful for letting me come here and give my energy of love and positivity for all the ones right here. I know where there's a city, I know there's lots of energy of all kinds, but we came here to transmit the negative into the positive and to give you our unconditional love. So thank you so much for being part of our global family of love and positivity for the world. And it's beautiful. Wow, look how beautiful. You guys have a beautiful beach with flowers, and it's just amazing how beautiful it is. Good afternoon. Hey, love and positivity for the world. Yes. You see, they know our message, and that is what we do. Wow, Miami Beach. We did it. Thank you, ocean. Thank you, birds. Look at the bird. Wow. Look at the guy running. Look at the people hanging out. Wow. Thank you, Miami. Love and positivity for the world. I'm gonna speak louder because the wind. Look at the wind. Look at my hair. Beautiful. Royal Palm over there. Have you been here? Let us know how we're loving Miami Royal Palm. And remember, our message is that in order to be happy, you need to smile. That's all what you need to do. Smile. And the more you smile, the more happy you will be. And how? You only watch our channel and smile when we make you smile. Because we do more than this. When we're doing this, we are only thinking of the because we have that power. It's amazing to share it. Look how beautiful this is right here. Okay, we're getting into the beach. Super beautiful. We have the Library Tower right there. It's amazing. Look at the seagull right there. Wow. Hola birdie, love and positivity for the world. Love and positivity for the world. Let's go check the lifeguard stand. There's a nice lifeguard stand right here. We're gonna check it out. We have this girl right here. Can we go up there? Miami Beach. The red points are really important. The beach wine flags too. Miami. We have the cars right there. We're gonna go to the Library Tower. They turn it back, I think. Or no, they have it back there. I want to go up. Wow. We love the beach, we love the birds. Look how many birds. Wow, huh? Wow. We went with the Spicy Life Global Family community, and a friend knows another friend. Wow, look how the energy connects again. Bro, you guys just connect like that? Hey, what's up, my brother? We do for the show. We are the show. We are the best. We do videos of love and positivity for the world.
I love it. So you're taking like videos of the whole thing.
Yeah. Hey, spreading love and positivity for
I
the world.
love that, man. As you should be.
Love and positivity for the world.
What's your name?
Yes, my name is Spicy Life.
Genesis.
Nice to meet you. Wow, this is what we're talking about, and this is the kind of positive experiences we love because we are the best. Hey, thank you guys. Hey, let's do family hug. And this is how you increase the positive energy. So keep it doing. Hey, we guys love you infinite.
Have a great night.
Infinite and unconditional. Spicy Life for life. Yes. Beautiful guys. Wow, huh? They know how it is. And this is what we're talking about. Wow. We just connect by energy. Thank you, Spicy Life Global Family. Wow, this is just amazing how we create positive energy. And look, the helicopter. Talking about. Woo. Okay, Miami, we keep it flowing. Spicy Life for life, love and positivity for the world. Walk. Love and positivity for the world, love and positivity for the world, love and positivity for the world. Wow, amazing experience at the beach of Miami. And this is where we are, Spicy Like Love Family Community of Love and Positivity. Thank you for letting me create and increase the energy of love and positivity for you, whether you're in your home. Look at how beautiful it is. We keep it flowing. Spicy Like Love Family, subscribe and comment, because we are the best in the universe. You are the best, and I love you infinite. Spicy Life Miami, spreading love in Miami. Love and positivity. Look right there, positivity. And look right there, the love, positivity, love, positivity, love. Spicy Life for life.